In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document using the Perplexity AI Labs method. If you're looking to transform your creative ideas into a polished PDF document with ease and precision, then you've come to the right place. We'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, let's navigate our way to the starting point of this journey. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's usually the quickest way to access any tool online, and today it will take us to Perplexity AI's website, which is crucial for this process. Once you're on Google, the next step is to type Perplexity into the search bar. As you type, you may notice suggestions popping up, but press Enter to see the full list of search results. Keep an eye out for the official Perplexity AI website in the list, typically the first result, and go ahead and click on it. This will direct you straight to their homepage. Now that you're on the Perplexity AI website, it's time to enter your creative prompt. The prompt is essentially the key to what your PDF document will be about. For this demonstration, let's use the prompt, "Robots Developing a Sense of Humor." Of course, feel free to replace it with any topic that suits your needs. With your prompt in place, you'll need to enable a specific feature on the site. This is called the Labs button. You'll usually find it somewhere on the interface. Clicking this will activate the specialized tool set that allows you to generate a PDF based on the content you've entered. Now that Labs is active, you're ready for the final part of this process. Click on the Submit button to send off your instructions. The system will then process your input and work its magic to craft a PDF document tailored to the details you provided in your prompt. And just like that, you've successfully created a PDF document using the Perplexity AI Labs method. Remember, while the topic for this tutorial was specific, the same steps apply no matter your subject. Simply tailor your input to your specific project, and Perplexity AI will handle the rest. This tool is a powerful ally in today's digital world, allowing you to easily compile, present, and share your ideas in a professional format. Feel free to explore its capabilities further and integrate it into your workflow for efficient document creation. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in our next video.